Welcome to a journey of discovery, where a humble root holds the key to better health, more energy, and a stronger immune system. Intrigued yet? Today, we'll explore the extraordinary benefits of ginger, a spice revered for centuries around the world. And that's not all. We'll also reveal an authentic Indian chai recipe that will tantalize your taste buds. So go ahead and subscribe and join us as we uncover the wonders of this incredible root. Ginger isn't just a spice, it's nature's gift, wrapped in golden brown. For thousands of years, people have turned to ginger not just to flavor their food, but to heal their bodies. Let's start with one of its most notable benefits: its ability to fight inflammation. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols, which are like tiny warriors battling inflammation in your body. Whether it's joint pain, muscle soreness, or even chronic conditions like arthritis, ginger has your back. Imagine waking up each day feeling more flexible, less achy, and ready to conquer the world. That's the power of ginger. But that's not all. Ginger is a superstar when it comes to your digestive health too. Ever felt that uncomfortable bloating or nausea? Ginger works like magic to soothe your stomach, promoting better digestion and even relieving nausea. It's the natural solution for all those moments when your tummy needs a little TLC. And speaking of soothing, imagine curling up with a warm cup of ginger tea during flu season. Ginger boosts your immune system, helping your body fight off colds, flu, and even respiratory issues. It's like having your very own shield against sickness. Now let's talk about something many of us are striving for: maintaining a healthy weight. Ginger is your secret weapon. It revs up your metabolism, helps curb your appetite, and makes your body more efficient at burning fat. Pair that with a healthy diet, and you've got yourself a winning combination. Here's something even more astonishing. Ginger may help in the fight against cancer. Research suggests that ginger's antioxidant properties could help reduce the growth of certain cancer cells. It's nature's way of giving you a powerful defense against one of the scariest diseases out there. And if that wasn't enough, ginger also supports your cardiovascular health. It helps lower blood pressure, reduces cholesterol, and even prevents blood clots. So not only does it make your heart stronger, but it also keeps your blood flowing like a well-oiled machine. With all these benefits, you're probably wondering how to incorporate ginger into your daily routine. The possibilities are endless. You can add it to smoothies, soups, stir-fries, or even enjoy it as a simple ginger tea. But today, I have something extra special for you: an authentic Indian chai recipe that's packed with the goodness of ginger. Here's what you'll need: 1 cup of water, half a cup of milk, a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger sliced, 1 to 2 teaspoons of black tea leaves, 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar, a couple of green cardamom pods crushed, a small piece of cinnamon stick. Let's make some chai. First, boil the water and add your sliced ginger, cardamom, and cinnamon. Let it simmer for a few minutes to infuse the water with all those wonderful flavors. Then, add your black tea leaves and sugar and let it brew for another minute. Finally, pour in the milk, bring the mixture to a boil and let it simmer one last time. Strain your chai into a cup, and voila! You've got a warm, comforting drink that's not only delicious but also incredibly good for you. This chai is more than just a drink, it's a celebration of health, warmth, and tradition. So why not make it a part of your daily routine? From reducing inflammation to boosting your immunity, aiding digestion, and even supporting weight loss, ginger is truly a superfood that deserves a place in your kitchen. So go ahead, give it a try, and let this amazing root transform your health. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family, and let's spread the word about the incredible benefits of ginger. And remember, the journey to better health starts with small, delicious steps like this one. Stay tuned for our next video where we dive into another superfood that you won't want to miss. Until then, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep sipping that ginger chai.